This machine will usually have a knob in the front to adjust the seat height. The perfect seat height is when you're sitting tall and your arms are at a 90 degree, your elbow is hitting the elbow pad. So you don't want to be too high above it or too low. You want it to hit right on your elbow. A little side note here, you'll notice that I have to kind of squeeze in. I have seen the smallest people have to squeeze into this machine as well as the biggest people, so do not take that personally. So with this exercise, we're really going to focus on the elbows. So the reason why I say focus on your elbows is because you'll notice this machine has handles, and oftentimes I see clients trying to drive those handles up first, and that puts a lot of pressure on the elbow. We want your elbows to be shoulder height. It really doesn't even matter what your arms are doing. You'll notice that I'm not even gripping the handles, so just focus on driving those elbows up to shoulder height. If you get really good at driving your elbows up, you'll get better at dumbbell lateral raises because that's also the focus. You always want your elbows higher than your hands. If you are shrugging, you're going to get a little bit of neck pain the next day with this, so do not force the height. Go as high as your shoulder mobility allows you until you get more flexible and more range of motion in your shoulder, then go higher to shoulder height.